People in Clinton are remembering Emily and Kenni Bisson and Shelley Johnson of Clark Mills in the most sweet and colorful way. Butterflies, sunshine, flowers, and ice cream. All beautiful things drawn by people who are mourning the loss of the twin 6-year-old sisters and a nearby neighbor, killed Sunday when trees fell on their homes during a tornado. They made chalk available at the Clinton Farmers Market today, and restaurants and shops will have some outside as well for people to use to decorate sidewalks in the girls' memory and that of Shelley Johnson, who also died during the storms. Because the girls love sidewalk chalk and art, Johnson also loved art. Owens, Pavlot, and Rogers Funeral Home came up with this as a way to add a little light during this dark time.